not giving enough time for ads to optimize themselves. What happens is maximum seller sees in the first week what they saw. They see their ACoS is very high, going over their margin, going over their gross margin. They want to cut down the campaigns. Because it is going over the ACoS range that they think that is very high, that they have listened through a YouTube video and that trainer have told them that okay, this ACoS is very high. But one thing you have to see, that your listing has no reviews or 0 reviews and your listing is immature right now. It is just new. The way our new listing converts and the way our mature listing converts, it is completely different. You haven't optimized your listing yet. We go through a 6 month process of optimization. The first phase of SEO we start after we get indexed for 800 plus organic keywords. We get indexed for that, then we start the second phase of SEO. We replace the keywords from the backend, we put new ones. I have a full SEO domination course on that. It is very cheap, it is 499 rupees. You can check that out if you want to. The next thing is, so always give some time for the ads to optimize themselves. This is a thing that you have to look for, okay? Give it some time, because ultimately it is an algorithm, it is a machine learning platform. It will learn as it grows with time. So if you're making all this mistakes, then trust me, you know the reason why you're making that loss, okay? So I hope you can solve this problem from your next launches and make sure your launches are profitable. Launches will be profitable at, like, it is very hard to make your launch profitable. Okay, you will get sales, but your profit starts from the second week, third week, even if it is very competitive, from the second month, third month. Okay, now I am open to make a loss of first 1 or 2 months, because I know I can supply the quantity, and after 2-3 months when my keywords are ranked, I have enough review, I am going to make a lot of sales. These are investment that you're putting to mature